Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson on LearnPy. Today we're learning type. So what is type? So type returns a type of a parsed variable. So the variable that is the actual value that is parsed could be a string, float, or integer. So here y is equal to 10. Okay, so you want to know the type of the type of 10 or the type that is stored in y. Okay, so the type in the variable y, so we are going to type and then put in the y. So in y, the value that is stored in y is an integer, so int. Okay. So let's insert another cell and let's try something else here. So floats are these numbers with decimal points. Okay, so let's k and then string hello. So type hello and then let's find the type of k. So k is a string. Okay, k is a string, and let's try that for floats or floating points. So let's create a variable called L equals, then let's put a decimal, so 1 point or 4.1.0, and then a type of L. So we have floats. Okay, so this type, then thank you for watching.